Wondering how to check ranking for your keyword? We have a trick for you. Knowing your website ranking is one of the most important part of SEO. Go on Google and search small SEO tool keyword rank checker. Click on the first result. Scroll down and enter your URL. Select the country and enter the keyword which you have to check the rank. After entering the keyword, you have to scroll down and click on CAPTCHA and check keyword position. It will take some time and the result will appear. For more SEO tips, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.